Hey there, guys. This is Bradley B again today, and today's topic will be, what does it take to be a successful salesperson? First and foremost, you must be a good listener. You must never overtalk the customer and actually listen to their want and needs. 2, you must ask questions. You can't sell a product if you do not know what they're wanting and what they're looking for and what is important to them. That helps you build the relationship with the customer. Always make their wants and needs a top priority. 3rd, be confident. Always address every customer with the uppermost confidence. This will show them that you know your product and you know what you're talking about and you can help them. This is where your product and knowing your customer come together. 4, be friendly. Always address your customer with a warm smile and a friendly, firm handshake. 5, follow up. Even though you didn't close the deal today, doesn't mean you will not do it tomorrow or later on. 6, relentless. Your determination to succeed will be the strongest key to success. Now, the bad salesman, he talks over the customers. Being a good listener gives you more knowledge of the customer, which equals success. 2, he assumes everything. Never assume nothing. Mr. Know-it-all don't know it all. No matter how many they are or how they are dressed or what they drive, you do not know their financial situation. 3, do not be timid. This is where your confidence and knowledge of the product play the most. 4, don't be the rude one. How many times have you walked away because of a rude salesman or rude waitress at a business? Do not become that person. 5, wait for the customer. Do not sit there and wait on them. Get there and get that before they even see you coming. Be the guy that shows determination and eager to succeed. 6, don't give up easily. If you're one who gives up easily, chances are sales are not for you. Don't throw in the towel. Shake it off, get up, and do it again. With sales, a lot of times, it comes and goes. You'll have a great week, and then you'll have nothing. You will be questioning yourself, what am I doing wrong? Chances are, it is not you. And remember, always keep your eye on the Lord. Put him first in what you do in the mornings, and first in what you do in life, and you will succeed. Hey, I know you got this. You wouldn't be here if you wasn't trying to learn and become successful. So I'm here to help you. If you believe, I believe. Hey, this is Bradley B. Down in the right corner, you can like, share this, and send it to your coworkers and your friends, and subscribe. That right there is what keeps me doing what I do. Hey, thank you, and I'll catch you next time.